the National Assembly approves the appointment of the Honorable Ben Momanyi.
Thutha ya ngucanio no ukurugamirira kiama kia Wiper thiini wa kamiti ya bunge ya PSC. Riu Wiper nionekanite gwikinyira ikiuga no muhaka maheo gitio kiria kimagiriire. Akiaria igongona-ini ria mathiko mwena wa Mwingi, Senator wa Kitui Enoch Wambua oigite ciama iria ciri thiini wa NASA no muhaka cihe mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka gitio giake.
Coalitions are based and built on the principle of trust, principle of goodwill and mutual respect. So we can't have a situation where leaders, members of parliament, senators, governors or even members of the county assembly have the audacity to insult principles within the coalition.
Senator Wambua aretie thutha wa njukaniriro ya miario gatagati ka governor wa Mombasa Hassan Joho na atongoria a Wiper.
It's a shame that there are some leaders who are insulting our leader and will not take this lying down. We will make sure that if they don't respect our leader, then there are options. And it has been said that it's not like we are in NASA because there are no options. The options are as many as there are elected leaders in this country. So we have options.
Urumwe wa ngwataniro ya NASA uri kigeri-ini gukionekana njatukano nene hari meharĩrĩria magithurano kia mwaka wa 2022. Hadu ni Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.